Hi everyone, my name is Saurabh Asep Chaudhary and today's date is 20th September 2021 and today's topic name is Inheritance in Java. In this topic we will discuss what is inheritance in Java. Terms used in inheritance, different types of inheritance and different types of inheritance with its examples. Let's start with what is inheritance in Java. We construct a new method, new class from existing class. Then the new class will access all the functions, features and properties of existing class. Is known as inheritance. Use of inheritance. In Java, extend keyword is used to perform the inheritance. It provides the reusability of the code. By using inheritance, we cannot access the private members of the class. In inheritance, we can access the all methods in superclass or methods of superclass in subclass. Then we will create the object of subclass. Method overriding is only possible with inheritance. Let's discuss the terms used in inheritance. First one is class. Class is a group of objects that have same properties. Class is a template or blueprint that is used to create the object. Next one is subclasses. Subclass is a class which inherits the other classes. It is also known as child class. Next one is superclass. Superclass is a class from which subclasses inherits the properties. It is also called as parent class. Next one is reusability. In reusability means we can access the superclasses methods from subclasses. It is called as reusability of these methods. Means we will use these methods in subclass also. Let's discuss the different types of inheritance in Java. In Java there are many types of inheritance. First one is single inheritance. Next one is multiple inheritance. Third one is multi-level inheritance and fourth one is hybrid inheritance. Let's discuss the single inheritance. In single inheritance we can create a we can inherit the superclass from subclass. This is called as a single inheritance. Next one is multiple inheritance. We will create a subclass from multiple superclasses. It is called as multiple inheritance. But in Java, multiple inheritance it is not provided. Next one is multi-level inheritance. Let's discuss the example of multi-level inheritance. Create a class A, then we will create the class B that extend the class A. Then we will create the class C that will be extend the class B. This type of inheritance it is called as multi-level inheritance in Java. It means we will create the object of class C, then all the methods in class 1, class A, class B and class C all are accessible in object of class C. Next one is hybrid inheritance. In hybrid inheritance, let's discuss the example. Create a class A, then create class B and class C. The class B and class C inherits the class A. Then create a class D. The class D inherits the class B. This type of inheritance, it is called as hybrid inheritance. It is, thank you.